have just created a simple Vue web application with the Vue CLI tool that looks like this, as you see on the screen. So let's go through the steps of publishing this, deploying it to Netlify. So first, just create an repository. Let's call it Netlify Vue, for example, and create it. And let's copy this code, and on the template that you have created, just paste it in a terminal. Let's do a first commit so that we know that this works out. Stage the changes. We push. Just to verify that this works. So let's refresh this page. There we have it, the first commit. So that is the first step. The next step is that you are browsing to Netlify and you are using, you apply the connection to the GitHub account. Let's just hit the button new, continuous deployment, select GitHub, obviously. And then we have to scroll down and pick this option, configure the Netlify app on GitHub. So here we will select this Netlify Vue. Go with that one. Let's save. Now it's selectable in the list, so we select that, and then we have to apply some settings, and as a build command you could write npm run build or yarn build, and that is what I go with. And as publish directory you write dist, and that's pretty much it. Let's just hit that deploy button. And we have a site deploy in progress. We just give it some seconds. Still in progress. While that is doing its job, what we're going to do in the next step here, when we have a first deployment, we're just going to change this header, welcome to your Vue.js app, and change it to something and do a commit to the GitHub repo. And then we're gonna check how this automatic deployment works. So apparently it's still deploying the site. So now that deployment is done, let's just hit it up in a new tab. And there we have the welcome to your Vue.js app. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code instance and just write welcome to our Netlify deployed Vue app. let's save it. Do a preview. Yeah, it seems okay. Changed title as commit message. Let's push it. Can verify that it was committed. Change title. Cool. Let's go with the deploys. To overview. So now when we are on the overview tab, we can see that it's building automatically from this commit. So we could actually see, you see here we have this commit ID. You can see it here. And while I just changed the tab, it was already deployed. So let's see, we are supposed to see this. This is on our local host. So let's refresh this. Welcome to our Netlify deployed Vue app. So that was very easy, wasn't it? So it's actually a joy to use Netlify for this. And I will do some more experiment and try to see how you could implement functions in Netlify, but that will be a totally different episode. But thank you for watching and I wish you all the best.